Welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to declare payments to your home buyer's plan. Under Deductions, we want to click on Additional Deductions and Other Deduction Profile. For where it says, did you buy a home, condo, apartment, or mobile home this year, first-time home buyer's credit, select Yes. You can now click on Next to navigate to the first-time home buyer's credit page. You will be asked if you are claiming home buyer credit. You want to select Yes. If you are sharing the home buyer credit with someone else, you will need to indicate the amount they will be claiming in the first-time home buyer credit claimed by someone else field. If you are the only one claiming the credit, you will want to leave this field blank. After reviewing the detailed tax return summary, we can see that a non-refundable tax credit named Home Buyer's amount of $10,000 has been applied. This confirms that the first-time home buyer's credit has been successfully applied. If another person has claimed a portion of the credit, I will only see my portion listed here. I can now proceed with filling out the rest of the tax return as usual. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.